Hello, and welcome to Ocean Academe Physics 12. Pendulum bobs, Example 2. A sign with a mass of 67 kilograms is suspended by two cables. One of the cables forms an angle of 27 degrees to the horizontal, and the other forms an angle of 49 degrees to the horizontal. Find the force of tension in each cable. Now, although this does not involve a pendulum bob, it is very similar. It's the same principle. So first of all, I want to draw a diagram just to make this a little bit more clear. So we have a sign that is suspended by two cables, and that sign is 67 kilograms. The angle to the horizontal of the first one was 27 degrees, and the second cable was 49 degrees. Now, what I like to do is draw just a vertical line going up like that, a dotted line. And I need to find this angle and this angle. So, grabbing my calculator, I find that this angle is 63 degrees and this one is 41 degrees. Now, I have this little device that I use. This angle, what I do is I add our original angles, 49 and 27, and that gives me 76, so that goes right here. This angle would be the 63 that we found here, and this angle would be the 41. Okay, now I just plug it into this formula, force of gravity, sine, and here I'm going to use the 63 over sine, and here I use 76. I do the same thing for the other cable, so it's going to be force of gravity, sine, and in this case 41 over sine 76 again. So plugging in our numbers, the force of gravity is mass, which is 67, times 9.8 sine 63 over sine 76. And this other one is 67 kilograms times 9.8 sine 41 in this case, divided by sine 76. Okay, so for the first cable, we plug our numbers in to the calculator, and we find 602 newtons is the force of tension in that cable. In the second cable, plug it into our calculator, we find that the force of tension in that cable is 444 newtons.